A tailor would never want to share this secret for fixing a broken zipper. Have you ever been in a rush to head out, only to find your jacket zipper stuck, refusing to close no matter how hard you try? Most people think they have to take it to a repair shop or even throw it away. But you're in luck because today, I am going to show you how to fix your zipper at home in just a few minutes, using simple things you already have. Let's get started. Tip 1. Fixing a stuck or stiff zipper. There are times when you're about to head out, but your jacket zipper just won't move. It feels jammed and completely stuck. No matter how many times you try, it doesn't budge. If that sounds familiar, try this simple trick. Most of the time, a zipper gets stuck because of dust, dirt, or tiny fabric fibers trapped between the teeth. Sometimes it's simply caused by dry friction. To fix it, just grab a regular bar of bath soap from your bathroom. Gently rub the soap along both sides of the zipper from top to bottom, making sure it coats the teeth evenly. The soap works as a natural lubricant, instantly reducing friction and helping the zipper glide smoothly again. After applying the soap, move the zipper up and down a few times to spread it evenly. You'll notice the difference right away. The zipper will move easily without squeaking or catching. If you don't have soap, don't worry. You can use candle wax or Vaseline instead. Just remember to keep the zipper clean and apply a bit of lubricant from time to time to prevent it from getting stuck again. With this quick tip, your zipper will slide as smoothly as new in just seconds. Tip 2. Fixing a misaligned or detached zipper slider. It's not just jacket zippers that give us trouble. Bag zippers can be even more frustrating. You've probably replaced one more than once, only to have it break again. They often become misaligned or completely detached from one side. But here's how you can fix it in less than a minute. First, use a pair of scissors or a seam ripper to carefully remove the stitching at the very end of the zipper, the small section that keeps the slider from slipping off. After taking it out gently, remove the zipper slider. Look closely at the zipper teeth below. You might notice that the teeth on both sides are slightly uneven or bent, and the top of the zipper has come loose. Use a lighter to heat the end slightly to secure it. Next, pull the zipper down and realign it, making sure both sides are straight and even. Then zip it back up and test it by sliding it up and down a few times. If the zipper moves smoothly, you've already fixed the hardest part. Finally, take a sturdy needle and strong thread and sew the end of the zipper back together where you removed the stitches. This creates a new stop to keep the slider from slipping out again. With just a few simple steps, your jacket or bag will look and work like new. No tailor, no cost. Just a quick DIY fix anyone can do right at home. Tip 3. Fixing a loose zipper. Have you ever zipped up your bag only to see it slowly open on its own? Or maybe the zipper closes unevenly even though you've pulled it all the way up. This usually means the zipper slider has loosened over time and can no longer grip the teeth tightly. The fix is simple. Grab a small pair of pliers and gently squeeze the sides of the zipper slider one side at a time. Be careful not to press too hard. Just tighten it slightly so the two sides move closer together. This helps the slider grip both rows of teeth more firmly. Then move the zipper up and down a few times to test it. If it closes properly and doesn't separate, you've solved the problem. To make the zipper move more smoothly, you can rub a little candle wax or soap along the teeth. This adds a thin layer of lubrication, helping the zipper glide easily without catching. To keep your zipper working well, avoid pulling too hard when it's stuck, and clean it regularly to prevent dirt from building up. With just a pair of pliers and 1 minute, you can tighten a loose zipper and make your bag or jacket work as good as new. Tip 4. How to fix a missing zipper. Pull on your pants. This has probably happened to everyone. You're in a rush pulling up your pants a little too quickly, and suddenly the zipper pull pops right off. It's especially common with jeans that have stiff metal zippers. Without that small handle, it becomes tricky to pull the zipper up or down, and it might even slide down during the day. But don't worry. There's a simple, clever fix using something you already have at home: a cable tie. Start by opening a small cable tie. Then insert it through the hole in the zipper pull and fasten the end securely. For the excess part of the tie, use a nail clipper to trim it off. This helps cut it neatly without leaving sharp or uneven edges like when using scissors. Now you have a sturdy, convenient handle that makes it easy to pull the zipper up and down. To keep the zipper securely in place, especially on jeans, hook the new handle onto the button after zipping up. This simple trick ensures the zipper stays put all day long and won't slide down. With this quick and discreet fix, your pants will look perfectly normal again, and you can step out confidently knowing your zipper won't let you down. Tip 5. How to fix a pillowcase. Zipper. One of the most common problems with pillowcase zippers is when the slider slips off one side and stays attached to the other. The ends of the zipper are usually sewn shut, which prevents it from moving freely, and this often happens because the edge of the zipper has loosened over time. But don't worry, there's an easy way to fix it right at home. Start by carefully cutting the stitches at the end of the zipper with a small pair of scissors. Be gentle so you don't tear the zipper tape. Once that part is open, slide the zipper head down to the loose side. You'll probably notice that the slider feels slightly stretched or loose. To fix this, use a lighter to gently heat the end of the zipper tape. This helps seal the fabric fibers and keeps the end from fraying or slipping out again. Next, take a pair of pliers and lightly squeeze the sides of the zipper slider to tighten it. Don't press too hard, or you could break it. This will help the slider grip the teeth more firmly. Now reinsert the slider onto both sides of the zipper and pull it up. Test it a few times. By sliding it up and down, you'll see it move smoothly again. Finally, sew the end of the zipper back together to secure it in place. And that's it. With just a few careful minutes, your pillowcase zipper will be sturdy and good as new without spending a single penny. And that's how easy it is to bring your zippers back to life, from jackets and bags to jeans and even pillowcases. In just a few minutes, you can fix them all without ever having to visit a tailor. These small repairs may seem simple, but they save money, help you see old or broken things in a new, more valuable way, and make your favorite items last so much longer. If today's tips were helpful, I'd really love to hear from you. Share your thoughts, or tell me which zipper fix worked best for you in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video, share it with someone who might need these tricks, and subscribe to Tracy Tips for more easy, practical ideas that make everyday life simpler, smarter, and just a little bit happier.